Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name is Adrian, and in this lesson we're going to visit the office. Let's get to work. In the office we can see 3 people, 2 men and 1 woman. They have a problem. The photocopier doesn't work, and it is the middle of the morning. We know it is mid-morning because there is a clock on the wall. A digital clock is on the wall and the time is 10:21. So it is mid-morning, but somebody is sleeping. Somebody doesn't get enough sleep at home. It's one of the men. A man is sitting on his chair, sleeping. The man is sitting in front of a computer. His hands are resting on the keyboard. His head is tilted back. His eyes are shut. And his mouth is open. The man doesn't know what's going on behind him. I think the man doesn't care what's happening behind him. And I don't think it looks professional if the man is sleeping at the desk. Let's have some questions. Is there a clock in the office? Yes, there is a digital clock in the office. What is the man at the desk doing? Sleeping. The man at the desk is sleeping. What do you think about the man sleeping at the desk? I think it doesn't look professional if the man is sleeping at the desk. Now let's continue by looking at the woman standing next to the photocopier. The woman has long blonde hair and blue eyes. The woman doesn't tie her hair back. Instead, the woman has 2 hair clips. The woman's hair clips are red to match her red dress and her red heeled shoes. The woman doesn't look worried about the photocopier. She has a little smile on her face. In one hand, the woman is holding a hot drink. We can see that this is a hot drink because steam is coming from the drink. The woman doesn't drink cold drinks at work. In her other hand, the woman is holding paperwork. She will file the paperwork in the cupboard behind her. The cupboard already has a pile of paperwork. Also in the cupboard are 3 files. File number 1 is red. File number 2 is blue. And file number 3 is green. After the woman has filed her paperwork, perhaps she could help to repair the photocopier or use the telephone to call somebody and get help. Now let's ask some questions. Does the woman look worried? No, the woman doesn't look worried. What is the woman holding in her hands? The woman is holding a hot drink in one hand and paperwork in her other hand. How could the woman help with the photocopier? The woman could help by repairing the photocopier, or she could use the telephone to call somebody and get help. Now let's look at the last person in the office. It is a man standing next to the photocopier. The photocopier still doesn't work, and smoke and sparks are coming out of the photocopier. In front of the photocopier, bits and pieces are lying on the floor. A cog and some nuts and bolts. The man is holding a tool in one of his hands. In the other hand, the man is holding his head. The photocopier still doesn't work, and the man doesn't know how to repair the photocopier because the photocopier doesn't usually have a problem. The man doesn't look happy this morning. He is actually sweating. If I were to describe what was happening in the office this morning, I would say nobody is doing any work. One man is sleeping. One woman is holding a hot drink in her hand. And one of the men doesn't know how to repair the photocopier. Time for questions. Does the photocopier work? No, the photocopier doesn't work. What is coming out of the photocopier? Smoke and sparks. Smoke and sparks are coming out of the photocopier. What is happening in the office this morning? Nobody is doing any work. One man is sleeping. A woman is standing next to the photocopier holding a hot drink, and the other man doesn't know how to repair the photocopier. That's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed your visit to the office. Until next time, don't work too hard.